very fast lifter. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yes, Lee Pyro. First off, I just want to say the bonfire that I had last week was absolutely brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. We had cakes from Classic, from Gemstone Fireworks, from Prestigious Pyrotechnics, from Volt, from Hallmark. Brilliant bits of kit. I think we started with Celtic's Charmeleon new for this year. That was really good, by the way. Lovely colours in there. Then we went into a Volt cake, then Gemstone. But you lot will see on the video anyway. What else have I got to say? Bit run down actually. Had operation on Wednesday, camera down the throat and all that. And I've felt really rough since then, like blocked nose, chesty cough and all that. But I'm here. I'm trying to get videos out, people. I'm here. What else? Oh yeah, we've got the new Vivid rockets, the RS. I think they're RS3s, RS4s. We're going to be testing them tomorrow night. So watch out for that video, people. Yeah, with no. Oh, actually, Rob Perry, I did see your message. Shout you out, Rob Perry. I saw your message, pal. I'll take them fireworks all day long. I'll be in contact with you shortly to discuss a day where I can come and pick them up, mate. But I'll definitely take them and fire them on the channel. Yeah, with no further ado, we get the show on the road. This was Lee Pyro'S 2021 Bonfire Night. Peace. Yes, YouTube. Long time. Firing. We're starting with Celtic Fireworks Chameleon, new for this year. Celtic Fireworks Chameleon. Lovely. Look at the colours. Beautiful. Yeah, I like that. Now we're going in with Volt, one from Volt. I can't remember the name, people. It's one from Volt. Shout out Pyro'S. A lot of the things fired tonight from Pyro'S. Shout you out. Volt, one from Volt, people, the new German brand. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, I like that. Hey, shout out the next one, bro. I don't know where it is. Huh? Oh, this is new from Gemstone Fireworks, Kingdom. Shout out Boom Fireworks, yeah. This comes from Boom, this one, yeah. Kingdom. Please like, subscribe, comment, hit the notification button. That was mental. The one just before was absolutely mental. This one's Kingdom by Gemstone Fireworks. And we've got the blowtorch out tonight as well. And we've got some port fires as well. Kingdom, people. Oh, lovely. Hey, was that another Volt? Was that a Volt one, bro? That looked like a Volt to me. Huh? Kingdom, yeah? Are you sure? Are you sure? Alright, cool. That was Kingdom, people, yeah? What's this one? Oh, this is the crazy one from Kingdom. Oh my god! Oh my god!
mental. Look at the colours on that. Wow. Easy, Tiger. Hey, what's the next one? Huh? Another Volt. Oh, yeah, it's another one by Volt, people. That was one from Classic. I can't remember the name. I can't pronounce it properly. But this one's from Volt. Another one from the German brand was just touched. What Bright Star's importing. Oh, man, that was brilliant. That Kingdom from Gemstone Fireworks. Wow, that was mental. Mental. That was one from Volt, the new German company. What Bright Star's important. What's the next one, bro? Super fast gun. Oh, this is for the new one from Classic, found one. Super fast gun. This one, people. It's gonna be mental. The fuse is out already. The fuse is out already on that one. They're all out. It might be on the side. Yeah, this is super fast gun from Classic Fireworks. Please like, subscribe, comment. Oh my God. Hey, stop it. Behave up there, man. Behave up there. That one was mental. That was super fast gun by Classic Fireworks. Hey, what's the next one, bro? That was mental. Oh, my God. That was available at Pyro'S in Hounslow, people. That one is. What's the next one? Frozen Spirit. This is the new one from prestigious Pyrotechnics. Shout you out, Sag. Charlton Fireworks. Frozen Spirits. Wow. It's got a mine as well. Yeah. That was Frozen Spirits from prestigious Pyrotechnics, new for this year. What's the next one, bro? Oh, this is from Classic. This is one of the Pyrotechnologies. New one for last year, I think it landed. One of the classic ones, the Pyrotechnology, 64 shot it is. Please like, subscribe, comment. This is mental. This show was absolutely mental tonight. Some absolute beast of fireworks what I've got out here tonight. Hope you're enjoying this, people. Pyrotechnics. Oh my God. That was fucking mental! behave up there, man. Where you get those bad boy fireworks from there? What's the next one? Oh, against all odds. Against all odds, Fab Fireworks, shout you out, Sag. Charlton Fireworks. This is mental tonight. This is absolutely mental. That's mad. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Against all odds, yeah? Nah. Stop it, stop it, stop it. Please like, subscribe, comment, hit the notification button. Look what you're not getting. Hey, what's next, bro? Huh? Huh? Oh, incredible. A new one for Gemstone Fireworks this year. Incredible. Shout you out, Boom Fireworks. This one came from you. I think it's 100 shots, 1,000 grams of NEC. Incredible. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh my God. Oh my word. Oh my word. That was new for this year, people. That's incredible from Gemstone Fireworks. What's next, bro? Huh? Which one? I can't hear you. Oh, Forbidden. Oh, this is the compound. 144 shots. Gemstone Fireworks, Forbidden. Shout you out, Boom. This one was on the house. Forbidden. God. Oh my God. Hey, bro. Bro. Do the small brown box first, not the longer one, the smaller one. This next one, people, a new one from Charlton Fireworks. 100 shots, Pyrolithic, new one. 100 shots, shout you outside. my God. Nah, hey Saj, you turned it up. You turned it up, Saj. You turned it up. That was mad. That was mad. That was mad. I should have kept that for the finale. But last but not least, we got Queen's Gambit, new this year from Hallmark Fireworks, 108 shots. Let's turn it up, people. But Saj, that was mad. That was mad. That was mad. Wait for it. Wait for it. Watch it now. Oh my God, Uma! Nah, mad. Oh my God. Somebody like a fucking bomb on that one there. Yeah, that's it. People, that was Lee Pyro'S 2021 firework display. I hope you liked it. Please like, subscribe, comment, hit the notification button. Peace.